Come with me to Clark Airport. Hi, hello, I'm Ryan. Welcome to my mini video. We arrive at Clark Airport around 10 p.m. and I'm with my mom and with my brother. And I want to take this video because Clark Airport is very wide, clean, and big. Pagkapasok namin sa loob, ang daming taong nagsisiuwian, nagsisibalik abroad, and also for another vacation. And napaka-smooth ng sistema nila. At ito pala, meron din silang timbangan ng mga maleta. And after that, meron din silang money exchange. Pagpasensya nyo na ako. Medyo bago pa lang ako dito sa voiceover. Hindi ko lang rin kasi alam anong sasabihin ko. And it might be cringy, so... So, ito yung Clark Airport. Napakaganda, tsaka napaka-smooth ang sistema nila dito. At first time ko lang sa Clark Airport. And after that, kumain muna kami ng mom ko ng Wendy's. And here's our meal. Share ko lang. Tapos na namin ihatid ang aming kuya and uwian na. And that's how my trip to Clark Airport. So, thanks for watching. Bye! And God bless and ingat kayo lagi.